In this video, I'm taking a look at the Autoglym Headlight Restoration Kit. As you can see from these photos, my A2 has cloudy headlights. So, just got this afternoon from Halfords. We're going to give it a go. I've got my drill ready because apparently I needed a drill. So you can see a picture of it there. I don't need a drill. And there's a drill bit thing there, so yes. So let's see what we've got in a box, and then we'll go outside and see what difference it makes, if any. Okay, so let's see what we've got inside the box. Can't even open the box up. That's because it's tapped. Okay, so first of all we have the drill attachment. Okay, pretty straightforward. Instructions. Okay, go through that in a minute. Microfiber cloth, which is very nice. Bit of cardboard, don't need that. Yeah, nice microfiber cloth that's sticking to the drill bit. And nothing left in there. And here we have Headlight Restoration Compound, restores clarity to headlight lenses. I'll be the judge of that, thank you very much. Keep out of reach of children. In the event of an emergency, please call. I think in the event of emergency, I'll probably dial 999, but never mind. Headlight Restoration Compound, Autoglym. And here we have, I'm guessing, the polishing pad, which no doubt will stick to that. Okay. Dogs want to go out, they can wait a second. And here we've got a load of, oh, I want 2 more foam pads with 2000 and 3000 written on them. And then we have 1500, 1500, 1500, 1500, 4 1500s, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and 6 800s. Is that what we should have? 6 P800, 4 P1500, 1 2000 sanding foam disc, and 1 3000 sanding foam disc. So yeah, everything's there. Everything that we need. So the 800 is coarser than the 15, so I guess we start with the 18, work to the 15, and then probably the 2000 after that, and then the 3000 after that, and then finish off with the polishing. If I had to guess, that's what I would guess. So yeah, let's go outside. I'll probably put you on straight onto a time lapse. I need to clean the headlight lenses, dry them off, mask up the car. And get going. But yeah, I imagine I'll probably just put you straight onto a time lapse. So let me sort these dogs out and then we'll go outside. Okay, so there we go. That's come up really well. The only downside is, I don't know if you can make out, there's little brown spots, burn marks, all inside the lens. And obviously in there, the side light is burnt out. There's an LED one in there that flickers. I'll show you that in a minute. But yeah, that's that one. That's that one still. Okay, so yeah, that one looks a load better as well. Got the glue lines on the tape though. But yeah, let me take off here a second. Sorry about that, I had to change my SD card. Yeah, so you can see in there the LED is burnt out, or the side light had burnt out. There's an LED in there now, I don't know what happened in there, but it's not very pretty, is it? Let me put them on for a minute, I'll show you what they do. Typically they're not flickering at the moment. Let me put the engine on and see if that does anything. Nope, still not flickering. No, they normally flicker like properly on and off quite quickly. So I don't know if they're not canvas or whatever. So if you know, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, big success, huge success from Autoglym. Lack of peel now. Where the tape come off? That's annoying. But yeah, you can see the burn marks inside the lens, hopefully. So it must have exploded in there. Can you see? I don't know if you can make it out. The bulb that was in there before must have just exploded. Don't know, but I might get some LED headlight bulbs for it now anyway, now they're cleaned up. So yes, final impressions, very good. $29.99 I paid for that kit. There was a Maguire's one in there. Don't know, didn't like the look of that one. The Autoglym one, I didn't see any others. This was in Halfords. So yeah, Autoglym kit, $29.99. Not sponsored by anybody. I have just bought it this afternoon. Yeah, I think that's a massive success. I think I'm going to try and get some new LEDs that are canvas, because I don't know if those ones in there are. Obviously you didn't see it then, but it's very annoying. So I might do that, and I might also order some LED headlight bulbs, because now those lenses are cleaned up, I think it would benefit. Yes, I think that's it for today. Next video, I still need to do. I bought a service kit for this about a month ago. Oil, filter, air filter, cabin filter, sump plug. I bought a complete service kit, but I've never done a service before in my life. The last car I serviced, me and my dad did an oil change when I was 17 on my first car, which was a Triumph Acclaim, and that engine never ran again because all the oil drained out all the metal. So basically the oil feels like the oil was keeping the engine together, and it never ran again. So I had to get a new engine. That was the last time I did an oil change on one of my cars. I'm 45 now. I've never done an oil change. So I've bought the kit about a month ago, but yeah, I'm frightened to get going. Obviously I know the A2 is tricky to jack up in the first place anyway. There's covers under there. The air filter is in a weird position behind the wing, I think. Yeah, I'm really procrastinating. I think that's the word. Yeah, I've been putting it off. It's all in the boot. Everything's in the boot. I've been putting it off and putting it off, putting it off and putting it off. So I need to do that at some point. I have ordered something off of the TikTok shop, which I will do an unboxing and review of. That is for the car. I'm not expecting it to be any good, but I'm expecting that to be delivered to me in the next couple of days, so hopefully that won't be long. I don't know, I might not be able to get around to doing it for a couple of weeks. Don't know, but yes, watch this space. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope it's helped you if you are looking at buying a headlight restoration kit. I highly recommend the Autoglym one if you've got a decent drill. Other than that, yeah, thank you for watching. Any comments down below are welcome. Also, now I've done that, should I be putting some sort of protector over that lens? Because there's no mention of it in the instructions or on the box about protecting the lens now that I've rub them back, essentially. I feel like I should be putting some sort of clear coat or something on them, but there's no mention of it in the box. Let me know if you think I do. Please like and subscribe, all the usual bits and pieces. If you know of anybody who's mentioned that they want to do their headlights, please share this video with them. Hopefully they might find it informative. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. Cheers and gone.